Code gave me training honest review watch before using. Most people think learning to code requires years of school and expensive tuition. But here's the surprising truth. With the right online platform, you can start building real technical skills in just weeks. And that's exactly where CodeGademy comes in. CodeGademy is an online learning platform focused on coding, data science, web development, and computer science skills. It offers interactive lessons where you write real code directly in your browser instead of just watching videos. Here's what most people get wrong. They think online coding courses are passive. CodeGademy forces you to actually practice, which helps your brain retain skills much faster. You can learn popular languages like Python, JavaScript, SQL, Java, and HTML, and CSS. The platform also offers career paths for roles like web developer, data analyst, and software engineer. CodeGademy provides quizzes, projects, and practice exercises that simulate real-world coding problems. This prepares you for job interviews and freelance work. However, the surprising truth is that CodeGademy is not a magic shortcut. You still need consistency and practice. It gives you the roadmap, but you must walk it. CodeGademy is best for beginners, career changers, and professionals who want to add technical skills. The surprising truth is that coding is no longer optional in many careers. CodeGademy helps make those skills accessible. If you want to start learning coding in a structured and interactive way, CodeGademy is a powerful place to begin. Subscribe to the channel for more learning platform reviews and career building tools.